Welcome to our AI-powered exercise pose detection app. To begin your fitness journey with the app, the first step is to log in using your secure credentials, making sure that all your personal health data stays safe and accessible only to you. It gives you the tools to personalize your plan and monitor your progress effectively at each step. Now, once you're inside the app, you'll be asked to fill in some basic but very important details. Start by entering your name, age, height, and your gender. These details may seem simple, but they actually form the foundation of your fitness profile. By providing them, the app can calculate accurate insights about your body, create personalized workout and nutrition suggestions, and even adjust recommendations as you progress. You also have to define your fitness goals and can set the time frame in which you'd like to achieve these goals. Once you complete this step, you'll be ready to see your efforts take shape and watch your personalized dashboard where you can check your BMI, health status, and recommended exercises. You can even check how BMI is calculated, or why the app suggests specific exercises. Now comes the exciting part, recording your exercises in real time. As you work out, the app uses smart tracking to detect your body movements and identify each pose. Once you finish your workout, the app presents a short summary of your progress, keeping you motivated and focused. And when you're done, just log out. This keeps your account safe and makes sure your health information stays private.